everyone, welcome back to another market update with Suma Sridhar, your realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Today, we are going to take a comprehensive look at the latest market trends and statistics covering 4 to 5 counties in the Bay Area. Whether you are buying or selling, we have got some valuable insights for you. So, let us dive right into Santa Clara County. We are currently seeing 1.4 months supply of inventory. This means that if no new homes were to come on the market, it would take just over a month to sell all the existing inventory. Over the past year, we have observed a 25% increase in the inventory levels, which suggests a slight shift towards the more balanced market. As for pricing, the list to sold price percentage is at a robust 107.7% and the median sold price is 1,695,000. It's a dynamic market with sellers often receiving offers above their asking price. If you are thinking of selling, now you could be a great time to capitalize on this trend. Now, let us look at Alameda County. Here we have 1.89 months supply of inventory, indicating it would take just under 2 months to sell all the current listings. Over the last 12 months, we have seen a significant 64.35% increase in the inventory, signaling a notable shift in the market dynamics. The list to sold price percentage is an impressive 109%, showing that homes are selling for about 9% above the list price. With a median of just 12 days on the market, homes are selling quickly. The median sold price in Alameda County stands at 1,240,000. Sellers, this is your market. The demand is strong and buyers are eager to invest in their dream homes. Moving on to Contra Costa County, we see 1.75 months supply of inventory, which means it would take about 1.75 months to sell all the current homes in the market. Over the past year, inventory levels have increased by 45.83%. The list to sold price percentage is at a healthy 103.3%, with the median days on the market being just 11 days. This means homes are selling quickly and often at or above the asking price. The median sold price in Contra Costa County is $875,000, making it an attractive market for both buyers and sellers. Let us shift our focus to San Mateo County. We currently have 1.71 months supply of inventory. This means that if no homes were listed, it would take about 1.71 months to sell all the homes on the market. Over the last year, the monthly supply of inventory has increased slightly by 0.59%. Homes here are selling for an average of 100.63%, indicating strong demand. The median days on the market is just 9 days, showing that properties are moving very quickly. The median sold price in San Mateo County is a notable 1,850,000, reflecting the area is strong and good market. Lastly, we turn our attention to Mountain House and nearby areas. We have 1.98 months supply of inventory, showing 41.40% increase over the last 12 months. This slight increase in inventory provides more options for buyers. The list to sold price percentage stands at a solid 100.7%, meaning sellers are achieving to close their asking price on average. With the median days on the market at just 11 days, homes are selling rapidly. The median sold price in these areas is currently $549,000, indicating a stable and healthy market. Whether you are looking to buy or sell in Lathrop and surrounding areas, now is a great time to make your move. If you have any questions or considering buying or selling your home, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and we are here to guide you. Thank you very much for tuning in and stay tuned for more updates on the Bay Area real estate market. Take care. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, realtor and real estate broker in the Bay Area. Have a great day.